Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. If you are facing weak Wi-Fi signals at home, this video will guide you through the Kosiy WiFi Range Extender WPS setup. This is the fastest way to extend your Wi-Fi network and improve signal strength. Watch the complete tutorial to quickly connect your extender to your router and expand your wireless network coverage. The process is fast, simple, and requires no technical knowledge. By the end of this video, your Wi-Fi coverage will be extended to reach every corner of your home. In the first step, plug the Kosiy WiFi Range Extender into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes stable. Tip: during the setup process, keep the extender within the same room as the router. Now check your main Wi-Fi router and find the WPS button. The WPS button is usually labeled as WPS, WPS/reset or Wi-Fi protected setup. Most routers have this button on the back or side panel. Press the WPS button on your router once. After pressing it, the router will start searching for nearby WPS devices. You normally have about 2 minutes to connect the extender. The WPS indicator light on the router may start blinking. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the Kosiy Extender. The WPS LED will start blinking. The extender will now begin connecting to your router automatically. Wait 1 to 2 minutes for the devices to pair. When the connection is successful, the WPS light becomes solid. The signal/Wi-Fi LED turns stable. This indicates the extender is connected to your router. Unplug the repeater from the initial setup location. Place it midway between the router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears as your Wi-Fi name _ext. Select the network and connect. Now your device will use the extended Wi-Fi signal from the repeater. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.